Do you want to be able to make all your TikTok videos private at once? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to do this, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So the first step is going to be for us to come to our TikTok app and then come to our profile right here, as you can see. So you need to go into your TikTok app and then come to your profile. This actually works if you have an iPhone or if you have an Android as well, just so you know. So firstly, what we're going to do is to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines, and then you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see. In here, I'm going to click where it says settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy. Now, as you can see, we're now taken to this page right here. What I'm going to do in here is to just scroll down. So keep scrolling down until we can see where it says report a problem. The reason why we need to click here is actually we need the help from the TikTok support to be able to actually delete them all at once. They will be able to actually help us to do this. So what I'm going to do in here is to just scroll all the way down in here and then click on submit a report. So click on submit a report in here, and basically I'm just going to actually write like this in here. So you need to write exactly like this to the TikTok support. I want to be able to delete all my private videos, all my private videos at once. This is very important for my TikTok user experience. So basically, you can write something like this: I want to be able to delete all my private videos at once. This is very important for my TikTok user experience. Just explain to them exactly what you want to do, and that is very important for you, basically. And then when you're done, just of course click where it says submit in here, as you can see. So click on submit. This will take about 1 to 3 business days for you to be fixed, just so you know. So after like 1 to 3 business days, then this should be like fixed for your account. So basically, this is exactly how to do this. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.